Hi, welcome back to Putzel Kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make some excellent treats that are good for you. I know everybody is feeling like they're home and all they're doing is eating, or they're not getting to the gym. We don't want to put on the quarantine 15. So let's make healthy choices. I'm going to show you how to make Karen's coconut truffles, which are little energy bites, and I think they taste like oatmeal cookies. And you can freeze them, which is awesome. So I'm doubling the recipe since everyone in my house devours these. 2 cups of rolled oats, then 1 1/3 cups of raw coconut flakes, unsulfured, unsweetened, and 1/2 cup of chia seeds. Chia seeds are fun. Some people don't like them because they get stuck in your teeth. Dairy-free mini chocolate chips. These are made with coconut oil. I like this brand, Enjoy Life. And that's 2/3 of a cup, again, because I'm doubling it. Then we're gonna do 2/3 of maple syrup, and then 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is probably one of my favorite things in the whole world. These coconut truffles are to die for. So 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons is a tablespoon, so it's just shy of a tablespoon. I'll show you what it looks like when we're all done blending. So I just blended that really quickly with the hand mixer. Now I'm gonna pop this in the refrigerator for an hour and let it set. Shape it into a little ball. Particularly antioxidant, so I thought we could just roll it here, and then it really does truly look like a truffle. Everybody, good luck. Stay healthy. Don't put on the quarantine 15.